The High Chief of Mota'a could not hold back his tears from disappointment and shame caused by two men from his village who have been expelled for allegedly smoking marijuana while employed under the RSE scheme in Aotearoa. There is currently 2,500 Samoan RSE workers in Aotearoa. RSE explained the selfish choices made by these men reflect badly on their families, villages and Samoa as a whole, who has worked tirelessly to negotiate employment opportunities with the New Zealand government. RSE said the employment and financial opportunities for men and women who take up employment under the RSE scheme provides a number of benefits, and he understands the government needs to take stern and swift action when someone compromises the scheme. Talafo understand that 10 RSE workers have been expelled for drunken behavior, theft, smoking marijuana, and committing extramarital affairs. Their alleged mistakes also means that their villages have also been blacklisted. The High Chief of Mota'a said the two men from their village have been banned. Uti Tantelea for Talafo.